guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got done watching Charlie Mack's video, and apparently it is Eggplane time again. And I did this last year. It was fun. I want to throw my hat in again this year, and that is going to be the kit that I'm going to do this year. And like Charlie said, the only rule is it's got to be Hasegawa. And there that is. I do the space shuttle. And these are so much fun. If there's anybody that's subscribed to me that has not built one of these yet, do yourself a favor and jump in and build one. They're a pretty easy build. There's not a lot of stress or anything to get uptight about. Just jump in there and do it. None of our hobby shops here in town carry the Eggplanes. So actually this one my girlfriend got for me at Christmas. Actually, I got several of them. And you get them on Amazon. Amazon has a bunch of them. But anyway, that's that one. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that build this year. And real quick, I just want to show you guys some stash ads that I got from the model show yesterday. That's the first one. Looks like a fun kit, although I don't know how much of it I'm going to actually use because I'm thinking I'm going to Pro Street this one. So it'll be just the body. But yeah, that's that one. And then the next one I found another 50 Chevy pickup, and this one has the Coca-Cola, old style Coca-Cola machines, and according to the box they're die cast. So that's really cool, but honestly just got it for the truck. Got that one, and then last but not least, I got that one. And this is the first time I've gotten a kit that has kind of a diorama thing along with it. So it's the 57 Nomad, but it has this old style gas station, and it's die cut. I'm not really sure. I'm guessing that means it's cut. They've got it cut out of cardboard. I don't know, but I'll use it for like when I take pictures when I finish doing builds and things like that. So I'm really excited about this, and they're all still in their factory sealed still. So yeah, had a great time. I think a lot of you have already seen my video I posted earlier from the model show yesterday, and got to meet up with Josh over at Risdom Designs and just had a great time. It was a fun show. And yeah, so that's where we're at. I'm going to get this posted up, and we will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.